Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix time sync failed on Windows 11. As we know, the date and time set on Windows PC is crucial. So let's get started. Go to search bar. Now click on settings, as you can see here. Open settings. Now click on time and language, as you can see here. Click on it. Now go to date and time. Now you have to turn on the set the time automatically option. Go here and turn it on, as you can see here. Now go to this option sync here and tap on sync now. So it will sync your time. So guys, this was the easiest method to sync your date and time in Windows 11. I hope you like it. Give it a like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.